Hi, I'm Brian Mullen. I want to introduce you to my cloud-in-a-box CIAB full mesh VPN internet overlay system. This internet overlay interconnects single or multi-tenant, multi-node, multi-cloud, hybrid data centers or servers. And this short video is followed by a longer video which will cover step-by-step my installation guide for how to implement this. The legacy approach to multi-tenancy usually involves partitioning the different tenants within your data centers or within the clouds in different servers within the clouds, which makes it more complex and harder to scale on demand in most cases. Security also is multiplied by the number of tenants involved. And by multi-tenant, I want to clarify some terms because you will see these throughout the installation guides video. If you're a business, different tenants may be different divisions, such as your sales, marketing, engineering, HR departments. If you were a school, it could be as simple as different grades. Grade 1 might be one tenant, grade 2 might be another tenant, etc. If you're a college, it might be the College of Medicine, College of Engineering, freshman, sophomore, junior, senior classes. If you're a government, Department of Revenue, Department of Safety, Department of Transportation, etc. By multi-node, if you're a business, the different divisions could be spread around the world with separate data centers that need to be interconnected. They could be on different clouds, where you have servers on Amazon and servers on DigitalOcean, etc. If you're an institution like the North Carolina University of North Carolina system, you've got different campuses. Those nodes may be the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, the University of North Carolina at Charlotte, etc. Each of those colleges, universities, could have their own computer resources, yet some of those computer resources may need to be accessed by everyone or by more than one entity. If you're a single university, the nodes might be a node or nodes for the College of Engineering, a node or nodes for the College of Medicine. If you're a state or county or city government, nodes might be dedicated for Department of Revenue, Department of Justice. Each one could have different security requirements. By multi-cloud, some tenants or organizations may have their own data centers, but they might also have compute resources in cloud providers, various cloud providers like Amazon's AWS, Microsoft Azure, DigitalOcean, etc. But no matter where or how these nodes are implemented, secure communications is absolutely critical to all the above tenant examples. The CIAB internetwork architecture is single or multi-tenant, multi-node, multi-cloud, full mesh, auto-learning, virtual private network. The CIAB architecture is implemented using all open source software on Linux systems, including WireGuard VPN, which is now built into the Linux kernel in the modern current Linux systems. It also includes FRR, free range routing, Linux router application, use of BGP and BGP VRFs, virtual route forwarding, and also VXLAN. The VPN means that all data transported throughout this architecture is fully encrypted end-to-end. Full mesh means that any node or server can reach any other node or server directly. There's no central hub. as long as the node or server is connected to the Mesh VPN. Each tenant's data, if there's multi-tenants, each tenant's data is tagged or colored by the border gateway protocol and then highly encrypted separately from every other tenant's data. One company cannot access another company's or read another company's data. My installation guide video only covers a single tenant implementation, not the multi-tenant implementation. I just wanted to mention that for when you watch that video and perhaps try to implement all this yourself. Auto learning means that if you want to add a new node or server, you only have to configure it to peer with any existing member node or server of the mesh, and that node server will automatically learn the best route via BGP for direct connection to any other existing node server in the mesh network. In essence, the CIAB mesh network of nodes is self-configuring and routes around failures. A simple diagram of what's implemented in the next video through my installation guide is servers in I'm implementing in 2 different clouds, DigitalOcean and Hetzner's cloud in Germany, the DigitalOcean servers here in the United States on the East Coast, and also an LXD Virtual Machine here at my location. But each of the servers hosts LXD virtual machines and LXD containers. Those LXD containers are all on private 10 dot networks, which, as you know from networking, is the 10 dot network is private and not routable over the internet. This mesh overlay configuration does allow that connectivity between the different servers, LXD VMs and containers, and it eliminates the requirement for complex security because all the traffic is encrypted by WireGuard. So that's the end of this short introduction. Please watch the CIAB installation video, and if you can, go to GitHub and get the PDF for the installation guide, and also you might try to implement along with the video all the steps as I do them in the video. By the time you're done, you'll have a full mesh, multi-node, multi-host, multi-cloud VPN for containers and virtual machines that are where your applications and users can be directly connected over the internet in a secure fashion. Thank you.